represents the electromagnetic distortion around all matter, like two atoms. The electromagnetic distortion pushes dark energy away from matter on a gradient and makes all matter appear to have an attraction towards itself. Gravity can be defined as the electromagnetic force that matter exerts on the universe on dark energy that causes a dark energy field effect, or gravity. You can scale this up from atoms all the way to planets and suns and even black holes. Anything that creates gravity is actually not pulling things into itself like a gravity well. More, it is pushing dark energy away, and in doing so, dark energy is pushing harder on the side with the least distortion. As the fields touch each other, it creates a path of least resistance, and the two objects are forced together by the stronger dark energy field on the side with less distortion, giving matter an attraction towards itself. It's dark energy that causes an attraction of matter towards itself that creates gravity. And here is my 3-minute video called, What is Dark Energy? Dark Energy and the Expanding Universe. Welcome to the right side of dark energy, a universal construct. Today I want to make an introductory video to a new series of videos I am putting together to explain my theory on the universe. What is dark energy? What is matter, energy, space, and time? And what is gravity? And how do they all interact with each other? First things first, what is dark energy? Dark energy is space. Space itself is dark energy. Dark energy has also been referred to as quantum space or quantized space or even zero-point energy or the universal constant. Dark energy is energy. It's not a particle, it's not a lot of things, but it is everywhere in the universe, all the way from the formation of the smallest parts of the atom and all the way to the farthest reaches of space. What we do know is dark energy has a liquid quality to itself, but does not interact with itself, or more precisely, does not strongly interact with itself. Dark energy is almost impossible to detect. Just as looking into the vastness of empty space, it is impossible to see anything, or detect anything, or any presence of energy, but we do know it exists, and it is there, not only from the force it exerts on the universe, but also from the detection of the presence of heat in outer space. We also know dark energy exists through studies, and through quantum mechanics we have detected the dark energy field and the slight fluctuations it produces in what was thought to be the emptiness of space. So what is dark energy and where does it come from? The basic answer to that is actually quite simple. Dark energy is the entangled information of the decay of all matter in the universe. As matter decays, its energy and information decays into more space, or dark energy. Dark energy is the keeper of time and change, and all space or dark energy is a record of the convergence and evolution of all matter and takes the form of space. As matter decays, it creates more space, and so as all matter in the universe is decaying, it is also creating more space. That's why the universe is expanding. The decay of all matter in the universe is creating more space. Now, there are quantum states to the dark energy field, and I will not get into that here and now. I will be working on more videos to break all of this down, and I will cover the quantum states of the dark energy field and how all mass interacts with dark energy and makes up the universe. But first and foremost is to get some insight into the concept of dark energy itself before we continue. I had to splice those in so that we are on the same page and you understand what I am talking about in this video. A couple other videos in my Majestic Crystal Universe playlist, I highly recommend you watch The Tree of Life, about 4 minutes. And if you have time, watch What is Quantum Gravity and The Pineal Gland and the Crystal Universe. And go ahead and check out the other videos in that playlist if you like this type of content. If you have already seen these videos, then you will fully understand what I am talking about. And if you haven't, basically, the universe is a naturally occurring crystal core quantum computer, and all the stars, planets, moons, and protoplanets are naturally occurring crystal core quantum computers. And the universe divides its geometric structure into...
It's what makes me beg the question. Well, how old is the universe? If it's a crystal quantum computer, which I fully believe it is, who put it here? An ancient civilization? I mean, like divine, benevolent beings. I don't like using the term gods because it was actually Gilgamesh or Nimrod that Josephus talks about. He is the sole responsibility and person behind the rebellion that caused the tower to fall. Because Nimrod had convinced everybody that they were gods. I watched that Billy Carson debate with Wesley Huff, and man, when he says I am a god, man,